29 Health benefits of drinking lemon water, particularly in the morning. 1. A post-workout drink. 2. Alkalizes the body. 3. Asthma treatment. 4. Balances blood sugar levels. 5. Balances pH levels. 6. Brain food. 7. Caffeine replacement. 8. Detoxifies. 9. Dissolves phlegm. 10. Fights cancer cells. 11. Heart food. 12. Helps hydrate our lymphatic system. 13. Helps treat constipation. 14. Helps treat scurvy. 15. Improves digestive health. 16. Improves eyesight. 17. Improves our immune system. 18. Increases metabolism and promotes weight loss. 19. Keeps our body hydrated. 20. Kills free radicals. 21. Kills worms. 22. Lowers high blood pressure. 23. Lowers stress levels. 24. Prevents bad breath. 25. Radiant skin. 26. Reduces uric acid and inflammation. 27. Treats kidney stones and prevent it. 28. UTI prevention. 29. Your liver will love it.